What's up everybody, Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm working on a 66 Ford. We're doing radius arm bushings and some kingpins, but that's for another video. In this video, I want to talk to you about some parts. When I was taking this truck apart, I was using standard sockets and wrenches, 9/16, ½ inch. And we get the parts in and they're all aftermarket. Now I'm using metric sockets, metric wrenches to put everything back together. And the sad thing is the quality of the parts coming in are crap. The parts that came off this car, the bushings, you could feel the quality in your hand, the thickness of it, just how good it was made. The ones going on the car, these are the radius arm bushing parts. Made in Taiwan. It's just crap. They're crap parts. And you know what's sad? This American truck right here with American parts is now going to be fitted with aftermarket crap from overseas. I sure would like to see stuff come back to America where we make our own stuff, even if you have to pay a little bit more for it. When I was going back with it, I made some phone calls. I tried to find something made here in America, good quality stuff. I couldn't find anything that I could get in a timely manner, and that's sad. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.